Hey guys, Craig with howtopest.com here with another how-to video on a product that we use and we love, Seismic CS. Seismic CS is a great all-around chemical. We use it indoors, we use it outdoors, we use this in our general maintenance for our residential and commercial. We put it into a rotation every other month, every 3 months. The Seismic CSs that we have come in 3 sizes. This is going to be your almost half ounce, it's 0.4 fluid ounces. This is going to be your 8-ounce bottle, and this is going to be your 1 quart. So basically this is going to be your one-time use. It's ready to go. Dump it into 1 gallon of water and you're good to go. This is going to be a couple uses. You're going to, depending on how heavy you mix this, you're going to get, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 uses. And this will last you for months on end. So you just have to decide what you want, what your infestation looks like, what you're going after, because different mix rates for different insects. Seismic CS is a controlled release insecticide. Basically what that means is it's going to give you a fast knockdown with a portion of the chemical that's in there, and then it's going to give you a slow release in the microencapsulated form. So it's going to hold up a lot better in weather situations, rain, even snow. You're not going to really put this down in the snow, but it's just a great all-around chemical. We love it. We've had great success with ants with this, roaches, silverfish. It'll even knock out fleas and mosquitoes. So it's a very versatile chemical. You can use it on structure, off structure. Like I said, you can use it indoors, outdoors. If you have any questions about this chemical, feel free to get a hold of us. And then always remember to subscribe to our channel, and you'll get this video and many more. Thanks, guys.